This is inside, rear gable. Looking from inside, right. That's the middle piece. And it's the left side. Also at the top, this is the top piece. Rear gable. Again, this is from inside. And right now I'm gonna make the one from outside. This is the top gable from outside. Rear part of greenhouse, bottom on outside. And right now is the front gable. Front gable where the door is going to be. This is V918 for the door. And this is left side. From outside, it's just like this. This is a horizontal bar, large horizontal bar for the door to be sliding.